Choosing a Medicare Advantage or a Medicare supplement plan isn't just about looking at the premium costs. There are several key factors that can make all the difference. Let's walk you through what you need to consider to help you pick a plan that fits your health, your budget, and your lifestyle. First, let's talk about your healthcare needs. Think about doctors, hospitals, and specialists that you rely on. Does the plan include them, or are they part of the network? Make sure that your healthcare providers are covered and matters for your care and your convenience. Next, let's talk about prescription drug coverage. Check the plan's formulary to ensure that your medications are covered and at a cost that works for you. Prescription drug coverage can vary significantly, so picking a right plan is very, very important. When thinking about the out-of-pocket costs, look beyond just the monthly premium. Pay attention to the deductibles, the co-payments, and the co-insurance. The key to choosing the right Medicare Advantage or Medicare supplement plan is knowing what matters to you. Whether it's access to certain doctors, drug coverage, or minimizing costs, the right plan is the one that fits your life. If you found this video helpful today, make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.